Once again, we're going to be looking at a pattern in the binomials that we're multiplying here, and this time it's called perfect squares. The last one was difference in two squares. We kind of saw how that ended up with a nice simple answer. This time it's perfect squares, and there's two different types where we have a plus and a plus, minus and a minus, and realize those are exactly the same thing. This is exactly the same thing as well. So what we're going to be looking at is two binomials that are exactly the same. What happens? What is the pattern? Is there an easy way? So as you do these, do it the long way to start, and then as you do more and more of them, you'll start to see the easier way. And so let's go ahead. We're going to have x times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. Then 6 times x is also 6x. And then 6 times 6 is 36. Now notice this time we don't have opposites. We have the exact same thing. So really what's going to happen here is just going to double. 6 plus 6, that's really 6 times 2. It's 12, right? So it's always going to double that middle term. So what we're going to have is x squared plus 12x plus 36. Here's another example you guys can work out, but I'm going to show you this one instead. So this time we have 2x plus 3 squared. Now, this is just a little bit different form, but it's really the exact same thing we just saw up here. That is two binomials. We just need to expand it. So think, what does x squared even mean? That just means x times x, right? Or 9 squared. I know it's 81, but it's 9 times 9. Pi squared is just pi times pi. That's what it means to be squared. So when we see the 2x plus 3, everything in the parentheses squared, what this means is that you have 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. That's what that means. Which, guess what? Look, that's the same thing. It's two binomials that are the same being multiplied together. So we'll have 2x times 2x is 2 times 2 is 4, x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x, then 6x again, and then plus 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Once again, we see that these are the same, so it just doubles that. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So you'll always see that this is just going to be doubled in the end. And if it was, let's just say it was minus, because I didn't do a minus case. Let's just say these were minus 6 and minus 6. Negative 6 minus 6 is going to be negative 12. So it just changed this sign right here.